fuck? What the fuck is that doing? What the fuck is that noise, man? I'm so tired of these motherfuckers. Shit! Put my shit on here, motherfucker. Fuck. Turn this motherfucking TV off. Hey, man! Hey, man! Man, you better quit fucking your wife, man! I pay good room. I pay good money for this hotel room here. You hear what I'm saying? I'm tired of this humping and moaning and groaning and shit. The hell's wrong with y'all people? The hell you having an orgy? Get a room. Get a motherfucking room. I'm gonna have to call the front desk. Cause these damn people fucking, they just fucking, they having sex like wild beasts in the middle of the night. I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired of it, man. Don't know what to do with myself. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. Well, shit, I want to get some too. Can I come over? Damn sexual freaks. What they call them, deviants. They're sexual deviant freakazoids. Sound like a bunch of wild-ass damn animals. Listen to that shit like that. She moaning like a damn wild animal, boy. That nigga over there, he got some stamina. That motherfucker got stamina. You hear what I'm saying? That's what it's like, go all night long. Shit, he got her hollering and shit. Okay.